Good morning, everyone. It's Edna here live with Mindset Monday. And today I want to talk about mistakes. You know what? We all make mistakes in life. It's one of the ways that we learn. It's actually one of the best ways that we learn. A lot of people, instead of taking what they can out of a mistake, they beat the heck out of themselves and talk themselves into never making another one. I'm not sure if you've ever heard the saying, fail forward fast, but making mistakes is part of that. You know, it's part of your learning curve. You really can't get around it, no matter what it is. You know, trying to sign on to a new program, entering the password wrong, and just going through that, because I hear my daughter in frustration in the background this morning going, I can't get into this program, why can't they make it easy? But you know, that's just, you just have to keep trying at stuff like that, and eventually you'll get in, and then you'll get on with your day. Some people, though, just give up. It's like, oh, I made that mistake, I'll never do well again. Hell, we've made mistakes in our real estate business, but that doesn't stop us from moving forward. Heck, if we stopped after the first building we made a mistake on, we would never have bought a second one. But you know what? You live and you learn, and that's how you keep moving forward. One of the things to ask yourself is, why did this happen for me? And it's a lot of times it's just how you take it, how you understand it, and what you do with it. Because if a mistake happens for you, which it really does, what can you learn from it? You know, if you keep making the same mistake over and over again, well, that's like doing something over and over again and expecting different results, also known as the definition of insanity. So you don't want to do that either. But sometimes you make a mistake and then you go 190 degrees and do something different, and really it was just somewhere in the middle you needed to land. So all kinds of mistakes can help you grow as a person. I see parents a lot of times trying to stop their kids from making any kind of mistakes. And in reality, I think that that's not a good thing either, because if you stop your kids from making mistakes, how the heck are they going to learn? We learn the most, actually, when we've gone through a crisis of some sort and had some kind of mistake. So hopefully that gets you thinking on this fine Monday morning about what you say to yourself when you do make a mistake, because that can make all the difference for you on whether you continue or whether you stop in your tracks and don't try anything again. Hopefully that helped you today, and we'll talk to you all on Friday. Bye for now.